Second most popular question is, how long does the process of kitchen cabinet refinishing take? I would say in average it's about a week from start to finish, but it depends. If we have to do the refinishing on site, then it would be roughly about a week. For an average size kitchen, it's about a week. If we can take the doors and some of the panels, like whatever we can take apart, we can take it to the shop, then on-site process would take roughly 2-3 days, depending on the complexity, depending on the size of the kitchen. And it would take us several days to finish the doors in the shop, and then we'll bring it back. So again, in total it would take about a week, but on site it would be 2 to 4 days, depending on a few factors. There's definitely factors like size of the kitchen and complexity of it, design. Sometimes we are dealing with some countertop guys, some other contractors like flooring guys, etc. But in average, this is how long it takes. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any additional questions, again, you might be able to find the answers in our other videos, or just leave a comment down below. I'd be happy to answer them.